boy, Country Boy Kurt.
And we are back with another video. And today, guys, we're bringing y'all another challenge video.
Getting ready. Warming up.
Let's see. So who's going to win? Is it going to be Team Jazz? Team Jazzy J?
Warm up.
I think so.
Try to warm up.
I'm ready. He ain't ready.
I get big like this for no reason, you heard me?
Alright, anyways, guys. So today's challenge, by the title, I'm pretty sure y'all know what the video is already. So we're going to do this couple speed eating challenge video.
Then I'm going to win, of course.
So we got some stuff. We just picked randomly stuff and...
So you can just give me mine. Are we doing one at a time?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright, so I want y'all, if y'all new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel already. Join our family because we got bangers coming back to back to back. Bangers all day long. And what are you doing?
I'm ready to eat.
Oh. You made me lose my train of thought. Yes, guys, we got bangers back to back. And just join our family and let's like we almost to 200 guys, so get us to 200 subscribers. We need it. We there. We here. Let's go. Let's get to the video now.
Ooh.
Okay, round one, guys. We got 4 pieces each of sushi, and we're gonna see who will finish. No, what you doing? You gotta, no, hands down. Hands down.
I'm letting them see it.
Oh, all right, hands down.
Go up there.
Hands down. All right. Ready, set, go.
Can't use the boy. Well, I ain't getting yet. I'm gonna have my mom. Your mouth be so dry.
Okay. I'm pretty sure you won that one.
Oh, man, flex it.
Alright, guys. Now, round 2. Right now we're 1-0. So round 2 is a can of lasagna. And should we need a fork or spoon?
Do you have a spot? I'm gonna use a phone.
Alright.
They use a spot?
Is it like...
What about it? Pull it out, right?
Ew.
Come on.
Alright. Alright, guys. Let's get this one going. Ready? March. Set. Should we open the can first? March. Get set. Go.
I'm gonna be you out there.
Oh hell no, it's too much.
Hold on. I think I do it.
I went already. Read the most so far. I'm about to give up. I'm gonna drink.
I'm done.
Good one. 8 more. 8 more.
I ain't gonna do it.
Give up? Alright.
I give up.
Yes. Alright, 8 more, guys. 3.
Ice cream sandwiches.
Alright. Ready? Go.
Set. Go. I know how to eat ice cream.
So cold.
Gotcha. I won. I was there first.
I was finished first. You were running that back. Guys, you comment down below who you think won first. Comment down below because
I took my tongue out first.
Cheater.
We're gonna have to film that back. We're gonna have to go
You
back
a
now.
cheater. Round, guys.
The water fastest.
Fourth and final round. Fourth and final round, guys.
Let's go.
Alright. Go. Ready?
Very much. Get set. Go.
Freaking hate water.
I am your master.
Whatever.
Your boy is nice with it.
Fine, whatever. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this speedy challenge video. If you did, go ahead and smash that likey button.
I won.
Yeah, I lost. I don't care because you cheated.
A flex on Hercules.
Whatever.
Anyway.
I would have won if that sausage was in there. Okay. Anyways, guys.
So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Watch our video.
Yep.
And we'll see y'all soon.
Do.
Peace.
Pieces.